Welcome to the Lighthouse, everybody.
The Lighthouse provides just an opportunity for everyone, I think, that comes to South by Southwest to really engage in fruitful dialogue about technology itself.
The tech world can be a lonely place if you're not oriented to growth at all costs, shareholder supremacy, move fast and break things kind of business.
Tech is developed in a fast process. We have to get this before someone else does. And in doing that, we are leaving out communities that are going to use the tech.
There is a lot of power and decision-making concentrated in the hands of very few people that are making very momentous and large-scale decisions about all of our lives. So the way I think about our work and why it's so important is because it gives us a chance to, along with our partners, shape the future of technology and build and narrate a more inclusive and shared future.
We are so excited to be back here in Austin. Each year has built on the year before, inviting people to join Team Human.
First of all, what I love about the Lighthouse is the energy when I walk in and the kind of ways that people are just gravitating, talking, innovating, brainstorming, instantly connecting. It's a very powerful space.
I walk in, regardless of my background, I feel like it's a place for me. It feels very welcoming. Often in venture spaces, tech spaces, it's very monolithic. And so if you have any difference, you're sort of first taking a breath and saying, well, how do I navigate this space? So this feels most like home for me.
When you enter a space, your voice is what was missing, your presence is what was missing, and you deserve to be in that space.
This space allows for folks to feel comfortable, to feel safe. We do so many things to really lower the barrier for people to connect and meet new people and to make that less scary. And we have such an incredible group of people who come out that it's really hard to start a conversation with someone in this room and not feel like, wow, that was really a great connection, or this person's doing something really interesting, or actually they do have a piece of the puzzle.
We're centering humans, but we're also centering human relationship and human connection as the kind of technology that's actually essential for our survival.
This moment is the dying of one system that's failing and the birth of another that needs our help. A new system is already coming to life and at the earliest stages of its infancy. And if we choose to take up the challenge, we can be the architects of that system together.
What I love about the Lighthouse, it is really about imagining a future of what's possible.
I just feel like right now is the time to work together to build the world we know we should have.
There's a better way to do technology.
We are writing that future together today.
I think it could feel a little unnerving, all the changes that are happening. So what I hope is that in the midst of change and chaos, there's opportunity. And this is the time now more than ever that we work together, that we invest in entrepreneurs from all communities so they can invent and innovate, and we can create the world that we know we all should have and that our grandchildren should have.